going to learn trigonometry. To understand this topic, we will focus on few key points, which is introduction, concept, example and application. That means we will first start with the introduction, that means what is trigonometry, how it is derived. Later on we will focus on few concepts, and then we will take one example to understand this topic, and at the end we will focus on few applications. So, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is nothing but the branch of mathematics that deals with triangle, particularly right angle triangle. And the term trigonometry was derived from Greek word trignon and metron. Then the word trignon means triangle and metron means measure. Here the figure of right angle triangle is given. So question arises in our mind is that what is right angle triangle? The triangle having one angle of 90 degree is called right angle triangle. Now we will see trigonometric functions, and later on we will take one example. So right angle triangle is given. The side opposite to the right angle triangle, that means this side, this is right angle, and the side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse, and this is called height, or we can say opposite side, or this is base and adjacent side. Trigonometric functions are sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. It is defined as sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse, cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, where tan theta is nothing but the sin theta upon cos theta, that means opposite side upon adjacent. Cosec theta is nothing but the reciprocal of sin theta, cos theta is nothing but the reciprocal of sec theta, and cot theta is nothing but the reciprocal of tan theta. These are the values of trigonometric functions. That means here we are dealing with right angle triangle, so we are taking angles from 0 to 90. That means for theta is equal to 0 degree, value of sin is 0. For theta is equal to 30 degree, value of sin is 1/2, and so on. We just need to remember this line. That means we just need to remember the value of sin, and later on we can easily make the whole table. How? We will to get value of cos theta for angles between 0 to 90 degree, what we'll do, we will just reverse this line. That means we will write 1 here, then root 3/2 here, 1 upon root 2, 1/2 and 0. And we know that tan theta is nothing but the sin theta upon cos theta, that means 0/1, which is 0, 1/2 root 3/2, that is 1 upon root 3, and so on. Cot theta is nothing but the reciprocal of tan theta, that means 1/0. 1/0 is not defined, and so on. 1/1 upon root 3, which is root 3, and so on. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, and cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. So we will get these values. So let us take one example. But before we start this example, let us understand what is angle of elevation. Suppose we have this object. Suppose consider this as a flag or tree, and if this object is above the eye level, then what we'll do, we will raise our eyes to see this object. So the angle between object and eyes is called angle of elevation. In this figure, this is the value, this is flag, and this is the eye, or we can say the point from which we need to see the top of the flag and end of the flag. So this is angle of elevation, which is given as 45 degree, and this value is given as 18 feet. What we need to find? We need to find the height of the flag. So suppose let us consider height of the flag as x. So here the value of AB, which means value of base or adjacent value, is given as 18 feet. Angle is also given. What we need to do? We need to find this. That means we need to find height, or we can say what we need to find? We need to find opposite side. So which formula we will apply? We will apply tan theta. Why? Because we need to find opposite side, adjacent is given and theta is also given. So we will take tan theta is equal to what? Opposite side upon adjacent side, which means opposite side, the opposite side method means height. Height is we assume as x. So tan 45, theta is given 45, so tan 45 is x upon 18, where x is equal to tan 45 into 18, but we know that value of tan 45 is 1, so here we put 1 and we will get x is equal to 18 foot. So the flagpole is 18 feet high. Applications. Do you know about world's tallest statue? Yes, you are right. Statue of Unity. So using trigonometry, we can find the height of the statue. The second tallest statue is located in China, that is Spring Temple of Buddha, and it is also measured, or it is also one of the application of trigonometry. Apart from this, it is used to find depth of submarines. The depth of submarine is approximately 300 meter. Average is approximately 300 meter. So trigonometry is also used there. In astronomy, it is used to find distance of objects such as sun, moon, planets, and other stars. It is also used in GPS and other satellite navigation system. These are the few applications which I listed down here, and your task is to find few more applications. Thank you.